walking from over there somewhere to that green patch. It's a slow process so far. We're going in. Big old crater. Them pigeons don't care though. They ain't bothered. They like living on the edge. Let's go! It's day 4. Is it day 4?
Yeah.
It's day 4. We've come to the nature reserve and it's taken us like 4 hours to get here, even though it's probably like half an hour away. But we've stopped a million times to take a million pictures. The breeze is good. Oh, there's 2 of them having a conversation. First piece of abandoned. Either that is the door or that is the door. Lizard! Pretending to not be spotted, but I spot him. Caught on camera! This can be like a montage. The epic trek. We'll have like the Lion King, not the Lion King, Lord of the Rings music over it. Sparkly!
Let's get some behind the scenes footage. Bum 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 bum.
We have walked from all the way over there to round here. That funky building. That's not where we are, but that's our landmark to know roughly where we are. And we walked all over there and then round here to the nude beach. Welcome to my crib. Nice.
Let's go.
Abandoned.
Take me to your dealer, you fucking Drago.
Sand dome. Tribe person. Is me doing a nice piece of artwork.
Take me to your dealer, you fucking Drago.